Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First, we want to thank you all for your presence in this class and today's presentation. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. So, we are the multiple choice group that consists of Amalia Wildani Tahir as the leader, Asriani, Khaerunnisa, Dayanti, and me, Maria Clara. In this presentation, we will discuss about multiple choice. For the definition and characteristic of multiple choice will be explained by my friend Nisa.
I know all of us are familiar with the word multiple choice. So, what is multiple choice? A multiple choice test or question is one in which you are given a list of answers and you have to choose the correct one. And let's see the characteristic of a multiple choice question. Multiple choice are composed of one question stem with multiple possible answer choices, including the correct answer and several incorrect answers distractors. Distractors are elements of the exam layout that distract attention from the questions. Incorrect but plausible choices used in multiple choice questions. Unnecessary clauses included in the stem of multiple choice questions.
Alright, the next one is about types of multiple choice question that will be explained by Amalia.
Alright, so there are 10 types of multiple choice question that commonly used in exam. The first one is the lookalike set of options, which means all the options in the question look very similar. The second is flipping the text of the definition with the term. In this type of question, you need to identify the key term based on a definition. Third is the negative option. So, in this type, instead of looking for the right answers, we are looking for the wrong answers. These questions often use words like not, except, and never. Fourth, the multiple option. In this type, more than one option could be correct. Fifth is two columns of option. In this type, you need to fill in the blanks in the form of multiple choice. Sixth is statistics from a study. In this type of question, you need to identify the key facts and figures from your class readings. 7 is degrees of chance from a study. In this type, you need to apply concepts in different situations and predict the outcomes. 8 is sequence of events, where you need to select the correct order. 9th is repressed as a scenario. In this type, you need to recognize a key term described in an example. And the last is degree of applicability. In this type, you need to pick the best option based on the scenario. These questions often use words like most, major, main, least likely, best, and probably.
Strategies for answering multiple choice reading comprehension question. First, read the entire question. Next, answer it in your mind first. Next, eliminate wrong answer. And then, use the process of elimination. Next, select the best answer. Next, read every answer option. Then, answer the question you to know first. Then, make an educated guess. Next, pay attention to these words not, sometimes, always, and never. Next, it's usually best to stick with your first choice, but not always. Then, when you encounter all of the above and none of the above answer choice, do not select all of the above if you're pretty sure any of the answer provided is incorrect. The same applies for none of the above if you're confident at least one of the answer choice is true. And then, when two answers are correct in a multiple choice question with an all of the above option, then it's probably the correct choice. Next, place your bet on the positive option. And the less, the more information is the better. And let's move to the example of multiple choice question that will be explained by Asriani and Dayanti.
So, the text talk about the age of Earth. The first question is according to the passage, how do scientists estimate the age of the Earth? We can find the answer in paragraph 2, first line. Scientists estimate the Earth's age by measuring ratios of various radioactive elements in rocks. So, the answer is A, by measuring the ratio of radioactive elements in rocks. The second question is scientists estimates the age of the Earth as we can find the answer in paragraph 1, first line. So the answer is C, 4.6 billion years old.
These texts talk about opera. The first question is to point out in the reading that opera. After reading the text, we can point out the opera is drama sung with the accompaniment of an orchestra. So the answer is B. The next question is we can understand from the reading that we can find the answer by reading the last sentence of the paragraph. The singers are accompanied by musical ensemble ringing, from a small instrumental ensemble to a full symphonic orchestra. So the answer is C. Orchestras in operas can vary considerably in size.
So that's all about our presentation. I hope it can be useful for all of you. Thanks for watching and your attention, and see you next time.